Hello everybody, how are you? I think we will be good in these days. You are welcome in my new tutorial that is about how we can configure Yum server in the Red Hat Linux. Okay, so now you are on my Red Hat screen. So let me first log in here. Okay, here in this video we will learn how we can configure Yum server. Okay, to install a package. As you know, Yum is a very important for the purpose of installation of package, updating or modifying the package. Okay, if you want to modify any package, any software in your Red Hat Linux, then you have to install the Yum. Okay, without Yum you can't do anything. You can't make any changes. So here we need Yum. Okay, so by default it doesn't install here. We have to manually configure Yum in this system. So here if I will type Yum, then you can see it is showing the uses option. Okay, but it is not configured here. I am typing Yum install Perl. Okay, so here you can see that setting up install process, nothing to do. Okay, it means the Yum server is not installed here. Okay, so for this we have to do something here. For this to configure Yum in your Linux system, you must have a DVD copy of your ISO file. Okay, like I am running the version 5, Red Hat version 5, so I must have the ISO file, DVD ISO file of version 5, because it contains a folder or directory that name is server. That server folder, server directory is very important because it contains all the packages of server. Okay, that required to install in our system. So here what we do, here we have to mount that ISO file. How we will mount, let's see. Okay, so first here I will type here elinks. Okay, elinks, the IP of my system, host system. Okay, that is this 236 here. Now we'll see that as for your kind information I tell you that elink is command line browser. Okay, and I am using here everything software that will be working as a server for my host. Okay, so I have installed everything software in Windows machine and running everything as HTTP server. So doing this I can use my Windows machine as a server. Here you can do in this way. Okay, let me show you. First, on the browser you have to download a software named is everything. Okay, here it is. You will see the different websites for which you can download. It will be around 2-3 MB file size. Okay, I have already installed it. For suppose I select from here. Okay, it is showing its version. Here you have to click and you will get a exe file of everything software. Okay, when you will install this software you will get an icon like this. Okay, here I will everything. Okay, type everything. Okay, here you can see search everything. Okay, when you will open it will look like this. Now how you will make it as HTTP server, here you can search all files. Okay, whatever file you have in your system. Suppose I am searching here everything. Okay, everything setup. Here you can see this is the setup. Okay, of everything. You can go to the default folder, you can where it is kept. Okay, here it is kept. You can see the everything software. The downloading icon will be looking this. This is the file of exe. Okay, everything. Now what you will do after installing it, you have to go just tools tab and just press it, and here there will be option of option. Okay, now here you have to go to HTTP server and you have to check this option. Okay, and enable HTTP server. By default it will be unchecked, so here we will check this option and now just press OK. Okay, and now close this software, and now you have to open your Linux machine, and here you have to type the IP of your system. Here how you will check the IP of your system, you have to type window R and just type cmd. Okay, and here you will type IP config. Okay, and then you will see the IP of here IPv4. Here is the IP of my system 192.168.43.236. So this is the IP of my system that I type in the Linux machine. Here you can see. Let me just okay. Again I will show you elinks 192.168.43.236. But before this we have to make one more change. That is by default the firewall is enabled. So you have to also disable the firewall by this command. Okay, IP tables -capital F, and you have to type one more command that is set enforce. Okay, and just set enforce 0. Now after typing this command you can easily use elink browser. Otherwise if you will not disable the firewall, then elink will not be working. So firewall must be off on the both system, on host Windows machine as well on the Linux machine. So I am typing here. Okay, now you have to go to the path where your ISO file is kept. My ISO file is in the app directory, and I am go to here in the software. Okay, software is this my directory, and here I have kept it. Here is the Satish sir. Okay, and here is the important software. Okay, here you can see the RHCL 5. Okay, this one at the bottom. Okay, left bottom you can see RHCL 5 for ISO RedHat.iso. Here you have to just click enter, and then you have to save. Okay, here mouse might not be working, so you have to use the tab key in the keyboard. Okay, here you have to save this. Okay, and just press enter. Okay, and it is asking the name of, then you have to remain it by default, and just now you can see it is downloading. Okay, here it doesn't take down internet, but it only uses the connection. Okay, it uses the same network connection. It doesn't require any internet to download. Okay, it doesn't it will not require your data. So let's wait for the downloading. And one more thing, that whenever you will be installing or setting a new fresh installation in the VirtualBox, then you will be requiring the same setup and the same folder. Okay, to set up a Yum server. So to avoid these big data transactions, we have another solution, that we can make the window machine as a remote server. So here we will also learn about that, but first we will configure in this way. So it is about to complete downloading. Okay, it can take more time, so you have to be patient while downloading. Now it is just it is almost completed. It depends upon the speed of the data transaction. Okay, but the important thing is that it doesn't require data. Okay, your internet data. So now the file has been downloaded. Now I will press Q here. Okay, Q for quiet. Okay, now here I press yes. Okay, now I again come on my home screen of terminal. Now here I will check that it is downloaded or not. Yes, now you can see in the home directory it is downloaded. There is RHCL 5 ISO RedHat. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to mount this file in a folder. So for this we have to create a folder, that is our /mount. Okay, /mnt folder. Here we will mount this ISO file. Here it is showing that it is already exist. So now we have to mount this. So for this we have a command, that is mount -o loop. Okay, and the name of your RHCL file. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, can't find root RHCL ISO in etc step or okay. Wait, here didn't provided the mnt, the path where we have to mount. Okay, now it is mounted. Now we have to go to the mnt folder. So cd mnt. Okay, and enter. Now we are in the mount folder, mnt folder. Now we will check it is mounted or not. You can see here it is mounted. Now we have to copy this folder. Here it is a directory naming server. Okay, just to copy this command, we have to copy this folder. We have a command, that is cp server. Okay, now where you want to move it or copy it, I want to copy it at root directory. Okay, and just hit enter. Omitting directory server. Okay, here is an issue, that it is denying us to copy this. For this we have, it is not an empty directory, so we have to put here -rv. Okay, it is used to copy the folder that contains multiple files in it. Okay, so now hitting enter. Now you can see the copying process has been started. So now it can take up to 2-3 minutes, so we'll have to wait for this up to the completion. In my next video I will show you how to make window as a Yum remote server. Okay, we will give the path of this server file from Windows, and then this will be working in our Linux machine. We do not require such ISO file and this server folder in Linux system. So here it is very important, and you have to be careful whenever performing these steps, because if you will make any mistake here, it will not work for your machine. You can face any problem in the during this. Okay, so let's wait for completion. Okay, now it is copied on my home screen. Let's go to the root directory. Here you can see the server directory has been copied. Now what we have to do, we have to create a file, okay, where we will make a file at the default directory of yum server. Where it is, let's see. So for this we will use the vim editor, okay. So here vim and /etc, okay. It is the path of yum directory, okay. Yum dot repos.d. Here we keep the repository file of yum server, okay. This is the path etc yum.repos.d. So here I will create yum.repo, okay, yum repository, okay, and just hit enter. Now the vim editor will be open. Here we have to type something, that is bracket yum bracket close, enter, then base URL equal file colon / and the path of file where it is kept, okay, root and server, okay. And next gpg check is equal to 0 and just save this file, okay. Now here we will check that it is working or not. Now we have created the repository file of this yum server. Now what you will do, you will just type yum install, okay, httpd, okay, and just press enter. Now here you can see that yum is working on my system. Before when in the initial I was trying to install some packages, that it wasn't working. Now you can see it is clearly working, okay. Now you can see the http packet is installing here. Now in this way you can install any package in your system. If you want to install telnet, just type telnet yum install telnet and hit enter, okay. You can see it is already installed. Next is I am installing OpenSSH, okay. No package available, sorry, here is SSHDO. Okay. Now here you will see that the package is installed already, and so in this way you can configure yum in your Linux operating system. So keep updated with me guys. In the next video I will show you how to make Windows as a yum remote server. So guys, if you like my video, please share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel as well and hit the bell icon also. Thank you guys for watching.